My dear students, today we will talk about the physical education and sports for Divyang. CWSN, Child with Special Need. If we talk about the CWSN, we see it that as much as right we are having to play and make ourselves healthy and happy, the same rights are also having that kind of people, those who are having the some kind of special needs due to the disability and disorder. Today in this session we will talk about the concept of disability and disorder, types of disabilities, their causes and nature, like cognitive disability, intellectual disability, and physical disability. If we talk about the disability, first of all, we should know what is the definition of disability in different dictionaries. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, a physical or mental condition that limits a person's movement, senses, or activities. With the help of this definition, we should take a special information about the disability that the person is having the movements, sense and activities limitations. If we talk about the disabilities according to the Cambridge Dictionary, it defines disabilities as an illness, injury, or a condition that makes it difficult for someone to do the things that the other people do. So here it is a matter of comparison that simply a person can run, jump, sit, swing, pull, push, but the person is having disability would not be able to perform these all kind of activities. Let us see the disorder. Disorder is nothing but it is a condition of a person or illness state of a person which affects someone's mind or body. Oxford English Dictionary defines it as an illness that disrupts normal physical or mental function of a person. We will talk about the types of disabilities that are cognitive disabilities. My dear students, directly we should focus on this disability as a disability where the person is having mental retardation. Common causes of cognitive disorder includes substance abuse and physical injuries. Physical injuries and excessive use of drugs or alcohol can cause cognitive disability. Generally, a person with a cognitive disability has greater difficulty with even simple mental tasks. Also, they can face the memory problem solving, attention deficit, reading or verbal comprehension, mathematical comprehension and visual comprehension problems. Intellectual disability is the second type of disability. In this type of disability, the person feels some kind of limitation in intellectual activities. Intellectual disability results in some kind of IQ or the mental ability problems. The third one is the physical disabilities. Directly, we should focus on the word physical as the person is having some kind of physical problems. Definitely, that problem would be coming under the definition of physical disabilities. This is a limitation on the person's ability to perform physical functions such as walking, running, or functional stamina. Cerebral palsy, spine bifida, stroke, head injury, spinal cord injury may be the cause of physical disabilities. Let us talk about the causes of disabilities. Poverty leads to an increased risk of malnutrition and childhood diseases. Poverty causes children to grow up in disadvantaged position. Lack of food, unstimulating environment, and inadequate health care all contributes to enhance this kind of disabilities like physical, mental, or cognitive. Accidents are a very common cause of disabilities. Due to this, the person loses the limbs, functions, and they face the disabilities. Malnutrition, as we know that malnutrition brings a lots of problems in human health, and disability is one of the major result of this malnutrition. Environment. Many chemical in our environment causes damage to the central nervous system, which can lead to developmental disabilities. Toxic chemicals and pesticides causes birth defects and are a cause of quite a few disabilities. Nuclear leakage, chemical leakage from industries, plants has often caused mass casualty and disabilities. Dangerous machinery or tools at workplace may cause disability in case of an accident. Disease. Long-term disabilities often arise from the diseases such as diabetes, cancer, or heart problems. Lack of education, as we know that whenever a person feels some kind of health problems, if he is literate, educated, definitely he rushes to the doctors. But sometimes in the lack of information or the knowledge of that, the severity of that disease, they don't move to the doctors, and that severity brings disability in person. So here we can see that what are the causes of disability, that are poverty, accidents, malnutrition, environment, disease, healthcare, and lack of education. So my dear students, I am going to conclude this topic. Till then, goodbye. Have a happy day.